welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. And if you are new and you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Click that bell to get notifications from me. Today I'm going to be doing the eye makeup look that I had on for my makeup lovers tag video. A lot of you commented that it was really pretty, and Elizabeth actually was the one that specifically told me please do a tutorial, so here I am. And you guys also commented on the earrings. These are the earrings that I got from SHEIN not too long ago. Go check that video out. I'll link it down below. So yes, earrings from SHEIN and the eye makeup look. Honestly, I'm going to try and recreate it the best I can, because that day I just did my makeup like real quick. I can't really remember exactly what I did. I can kind of sort of remember, but anyways, we're just gonna go on with it. I'm going to begin by taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, going with the light blue shade in the top row. And this is going to be going into my inner part of my crease. I like to stamp on the pigment first, as you guys know, and then later go in to blend it out. I'm going to clean that brush off a little bit. Then let's go back on top of it to blend it out. Then next I'll be going in with the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. This is the smaller version of the palette. If you have this bigger one, you will have all of these colors. But if you don't have these palettes, remember you can always use similar colors to what I'm using. Use what you already have in your collection. So then next I'm going into the Lunar Eclipse shade. And this one I'm going to apply to the outer parts of my crease and then blend it into the blue. I'm also going to start applying a little bit here down on my eyelid. Clean it off and blend at the top. I feel like in the other look I might have had a little bit more blue, so I'm just going to take my BH again. I think we had a little bit more blue running into this like warm orangey brown shade. I'm going to be taking that same Lunar Eclipse shade onto my lower lash line. Taking a clean brush and run it along the bottom to diminish any harsh lines. Next I will be doing a half cut crease, so I'm taking the NYX white eyeshadow base. I'm going to start it here towards the inner part of my eyelid. Bring it in a little bit, look up, and then continue to complete your cut crease. And to set that cut crease, I'm using the NYX Single Shadow in Whipped Cream. Go ahead and place it right on top of where you make that cut crease, wherever that white is. Going back in with the tiniest bit of that light blue shade. It's seriously just the slightest amount. I'm just going to be placing it right on top of where I have that blue, and it is going to get a little bit on top of that white. But I want that blue to pop out more because it kind of got lost behind that white. So just bring it out a tiny bit. Now you can see the blue a lot better, and I like it like that. And then taking a little bit of that orangey brown shade, we want to blend that into the white just slightly. Highlight, I am going to be taking my Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. I'm going in first with a white highlight shade, so I'm going in with this one, Luna. And then taking it a little bit here on the brow bone. And then to give it a little bit of a bluish tint, I'm going in with Orion. Let's go ahead and add a bronzy highlight before finishing off the eyes. It is time for lips. Now this is where I really don't remember what I use for my lips. Usually I just put on whatever I am feeling at the moment. I know for sure I have a gloss on. I don't know, but I'm going to be using this one today. It is the NYX Butter Gloss in Maybelline. The look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. It's very bright and beautiful for summer. I think it is literally a beach on your eyes. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.